Hello my people, welcome back to another video. This is African Lioness TV. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. So guys, in today's video, I don't know, this video may offend some people and it may not offend some people, but we have to make the video because I have watched several videos about the controversy between the Nigerians and Ghana, between the Igbo king in Ghana. Yes, so that's why I'm here this evening. That's why I'm here now to to say something, because I have watched several videos and people say all sort of things, all manner of things. Wow, it's I don't just know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say. I watch one lady, I say, oh my God, see what a mother is saying. See what a woman is saying. A woman that doesn't know tomorrow. Somebody who doesn't know tomorrow, see what she is saying against her fellow human being. So this man, a Nigerian man, acquired land in Ghana. How does that, or an Igbo man, okay? Yeah, because now they have divided Nigeria. You have Igbo. Tomorrow they will say, we are one, we are one. I watched that video somebody made from southwestern side. You know, the lady made that video, and you need to watch this video. I'm not going to mention her name and I'm not going to put her on this video, but I'm going to address certain things she said on that video. So she said that Igbo people, that they in Ghana, that she will not, or she and I don't know, she and her group, that they are not going to watch Igbo people. I'm trying to choose a word for not everything you can say on YouTube, so you have to choose your words, so she said that they will not, she's not going to allow the Igbos to spoil Ghana the way they did in South Africa. This is, like you are just branding a whole tribe. You are just branding a whole tribe like they did something to you. So if one man, is it like that man, that this lady I'm talking about is a Yoruba lady. She's from Yoruba. She's saying all manner of things. She live in Ghana. It's like she married Ghana because she said she had a baby, to Ghanaian. So if you marry Ghanaian, my Yoruba sister, is that why you should condemn your own? Is that why she said that this so-called king, according to her, she said that this so-called king said that she acquired this land for his people, and now that the thing has causing uproar, that the man is now saying Nigeria, the Ghana people, they are persecuting Nigeria and all that. Wow, my sister, just take it easy. This life get as it be. It get as it be for this life. Okay, maybe you find yourself in a place now that you feel that you have arrived. You will not need anything from an Igbo person in life. You don't have anything to do with Igbo people in life. See, I heard you say that one thing is everybody must die one day. Yes, everybody must die one day, but my sister, we have to watch our steps and our words and the way we treat our fellow human being. There is no way you will see a whole tribe of Igbo extraction in Nigeria. In Nigeria, we have three major ethnic groups. We have Igbo ethnic group, we have Hausa ethnic group, we have Yoruba ethnic group, and you are from Yoruba ethnic group, and you are there in Ghana profiling Igbo ethnic group. So if one Igbo person do something or did something, maybe wrong or not, because this man didn't steal the land, he bought it, right? And who sold that land to that man? They are not talking about the person who sold the land to this Igbo man. Wait, I'm asking, is now a crime? Is it a crime now that somebody, you say you want to sell your real estate, and somebody say, okay, I want to buy, and the person bought that thing from you? Then after many years, this man has lived in Ghana for over 30 years. Then after 30 years, after many years, he married in Ghana. He gave birth, all his children are from Ghana. She gave birth to all of them in Ghana. This man is not a nuisance. This man is not wayward. This man is not doing anything bad. It's just his crime now is only got land, plenty acres of land in Ghana, and said he want to build a village. Come on guys, okay? In America, go to Virginia, go to in fact different parts of America, they have Igbo community, they have Igbo village, the same way they have Yoruba community, Yoruba village, the same way they have it's only Hausa ethnicity in Nigeria that I know that they don't always travel like that. They travel, but not en mass like Yoruba and Igbo. So how are you going to now? You will not see your something that is in your eyes. You as a Yoruba lady, you will see the one that is on somebody's eyes. You will not see the one that is in your eyes, but you will see the one that is on somebody's eyes. Just watch the way what you say. Just when you finish making your video, go and watch it again. Then you think yourself good that you have tried. Think yourself good. Oh, I have tried. I have achieved a lot today by bringing Igbo people down. If you are paid, because I know that you guys have a lot of paymasters. You have a lot of paymasters that pay you people to tarnish the image of an ethnic group in Nigeria. We have 3 major ethnic groups. Then you chose to tarnish image of a particular group. What have they done to you that warranted you to do that? Wait, if you have a beef with one person, you now generalize it, right? You say, okay, if you go and search what other Igbo people have done on internet, this will happen. People will be surprised. Wait, which tribe in Nigeria now that you will go on internet and search? Even Ghana, there's one Ghana guy on social media. There is somebody made a video, and I made a comment on that video. So the guy came and replied my comment. He came and replied my comment. I'm going to paste it here. Paste the conversation here. So I'm going to paste the conversation somewhere here or here. The guy said he replied my comment. I asked that because they were discussing that they have arrested the man, and they have remanded the man in prison. Okay, I just wrote, I say, of what offense? I just asked a question. I say, of what offense did they charge the man before they put him in prison? Of what offense did he commit or committed? Of what offense? That was my question. I just asked a question because what they were discussing there was that they have, the man thought that they are joking, that now they have put the man behind bars. Say they have put the man behind bars, so he thought that they are joking, and that the people that put the man behind bars, not all this ordinary national security, that is a special security. They don't know when they are exposing themselves. They don't know when they are exposing themselves. See, and we know the faces of at least the man that was saying this, they interviewed. He said it on camera, and everybody can see his face. Everybody can see his face. You know, he said that special people were the ones, that is not all these ordinary people that he will just talk to. They will release him. That these people that that put the man behind bars, they are special people. Okay. And the man, then later on, the man was complaining he had high blood pressure. Then they released the man because he was complaining he has a blood pressure. Okay, so you know, when people talk too much, you don't know when you will expose yourself. So now they make a series of videos, and all these videos, some of the videos they are making, they are indicting themselves. You know, should in case anything happen to the man tomorrow, the internet can never forget. The internet can never forget the people that are responsible to that. Okay, because that man is hale and hearty. Nothing is wrong with him. He's not sick. Him and his family, nothing is wrong with them. His offense was just that he bought a land in Ghana and said that he want to build a village. This happened 2013, and from what I heard from the man said that the thing did not materialize, the thing did not come to fruition, and he did not buy the land, he did not build anything. You know, so you know, internet doesn't forget, like we said. Somebody maybe now that there is a politics on air in Nigeria, you know, there's politics on air in Nigeria, and people will do everything to make sure that they tarnish the image of a particular tribe, maybe because of their political ambition, in order to climb to where they want to climb to. You know, what I'm saying is true. What I'm saying is true, because it's not good to tarnish the image of a particular tribe. That is very, very wrong from pit of earth. That is very, very wrong. You know, and their paymasters pay them to come online and come and start spewing anything they want. Come and start spewing trash online. You know, other tribes of Nigeria, they are not the ones crying more than the bereaved. They are not crying more than the bereaved. You know, what is the offense of this man that he bought land? He is married to a Ghanaian. He is married to a Ghanaian, and the wife is a citizen, and the wife is also the owner of the land. So what are they saying there? Okay, because they hear the name of Igbo. Is that man going to carry that land on his head, travel to Nigeria? Is that man going to carry that land, travel to Nigeria? Is he going to carry that land now? This Eze in Ghana, Eze Igbo in Ghana, is he going to carry that land to? Is land immovable? Is land movable? Land is real estate. It does not move. It only appreciates. It cannot move. You can't move land. Okay, land only appreciates for the owner of it. Now he has bought this land from. They asked that man question that did he acquire the land? He said, I don't care if he I don't care. That is his problem. Whether he acquired it or he did not acquire it, it has come out of his mouth that he want to build a village or he want to build a kingdom. Wait, let me tell you. Point of correction. That man never said anything kingdom. He never said he's going to build any kingdom anywhere. And that man is not a politician. That man is not in any authority in Ghana. Even the wife is not a politician. The wife has no post. Who have no post in Ghana. Okay, so I don't know what warranted all these things, that people are now gaslighting people to come and start spewing trash, to come and start spewing lies, come and start saying saying lies against their fellow human being, against your fellow African. Can you imagine? You know, Ghana is for everybody. For your Ghanaians, listen to me. Ghana people, listen to me. Come closer and listen to me. You see, Ghana is for everybody. As far as you are a living human being on earth, Ghana is for you. All right, irrespective of not age. Hence, you are up to 18 years and above. You are entitled to acquire land in anywhere in the world. Okay, anywhere in the world. I have not heard anywhere in the world that they say, oh, this particular country is banned or banned from buying land from so country. I have watched different videos from Ghana people where they said, oh, come back home. They are calling African Americans, come back home. Not only African Americans, both Canada, African Canadians, African Europeans, African all over the world. They say, come home. That Ghana is the home center for all Africans. Sometimes they even make video say Nigeria is just a giant of Africa, that it is Ghana that is the home of all Africans, where all Africans around the world are being welcomed. Even sometimes they will keep showing you the land of no return, you know, where the journey of no return, where they started that journey, that they did not come back. What is wrong with us? I beg, that's what I'm asking. Please, what is wrong with us? What is wrong with us? What is wrong? I have watched several videos of Ghanaian people. You know, there is Ghana village. There is Ghana village as I speak. Presently as I speak, there is Ghana village in Gambia. Gambia is in West Africa. There is Ghana village in Gambia. How are you going to explain such to your child if your child grow up and see this? There is Ghana village, and 98% to 99% is only Ghana living in that particular community. I will show this is I'm placing it up here. See, go and Google it. It's not even only placing it here. Just Google it and see. You will see that there is a village in Gambia only lived by Ghanaians, and they carry their language, they carry their chief, they carry their king, they carry their culture, everything. They lift everything from Ghana and travel to Gambia and settle down there. One social media influencer went there and was asking them, when did this happen? They say they came Gambia 1958. They came to Gambia 1958. That those days that in Gambia, you know, because they follow the sea and all that, they say they have a lot of fish and all that. Fish farming was a very big business then, you know. Those days, that's what they went there for, and they now settled there. And a whole lot of Ghana people, they now migrated to that place and settled down there, and now bought land, plenty acres of land, and built their own kingdom there. They built their kingdom in the Ghana people built their kingdom in Gambia. Ghana people built their kingdom in Gambia, and nobody is disturbing them. Nobody is worrying them. Nobody is giving them headache. Nobody say Ghana must go from Gambia. Nobody said that. Now a Nigerian man, an Igbo extraction, because now some Nigerians that live in Ghana, they are now gaslighting because of politics. Some of them are paid to come and say what they are saying against their own, you know. But it's okay. There's no way you can hate. There's no way you can hate. There's no way you may not like a tribe, and then all of it, a twinkle of an eye, you remove that tribe from this earth. It's not possible. You can only have your shared wickedness in you. That's only what you can do. There's nothing else you can do, you know. The election, Nigeria election is 2027. People have started now to spew lies, to gaslight people, to come and start doing this and that for them. They have already started saying all sorts of things, persecuting people unnecessarily, you know. Now they are gaslighting. One person did something, you know, then instead of you to follow it gradually and, you know, invite the person, you can invite the person to the police, you can petition the person, let him come and explain how he acquired the land, you know. If this man had come to Ghana now and say, okay, I want to be the governor in Ghana, I want to be a senator in Ghana, those people that make laws, this Igbo, he said that he's Igbo king in Ghana. He mentioned his tribe, he's Igbo. No, Ghana people, are you Igbo? I'm asking Ghana people, and this Yoruba lady that is defending, that married Ghana, that is talking online. I'm saying that he said he's Igbo king, right? Igbo king in Ghana. That he's going to buy he wanted to those days obey. He, like I heard, he didn't buy it again. Where he will build his hotel, build it here in America, even in Europe. I have watched many videos where other African countries, they went there, bought acres of land and do their farming. You know, they employ a lot of people from Africa to come over there, to come and work for them. From there, some of them will not stay there. And these people, I'm telling you, they built hotels, built homes and all that inside that their ranch, and they rent all those things to people. They make money. What is wrong that this man came to Ghana over 30 years ago? He has spent all his life in Ghana. This is his retirement age. Now you will not allow him to enjoy his retirement. How many years is remaining? You know, let us, you know, be human sometimes. Let us be human sometimes. Everything is not, oh, the way people say it is not the way it is. Just invite the man and ask him questions. Whatever you want to ask him, you ask him. Never mind these people that are now gaslighting. Never mind all these people that are coming online now and are pretending to be the good ones. You know, some of them will just come out, name the dog bad name in order to hang it. You know, we have seen you people as the best people, but we know that Oluwole in Lagos are started by some people and a particular tribe in Lagos, in Nigeria. They know them with Oluwole. All those countries that they are now, follow them and trace them. You will notice that many of them came there through Oluwole. Some will pass through bush, through Appian ways. It's in every tribe. I'm not saying that it's not in every tribe. It's in every tribe, but you cannot keep your own at the back, and you bring another person's own at the front, and then you want to tarnish the image of an entire tribe. So what you are just painting now, so that Ghana people, okay, go and destroy Igbo businesses, go and destroy Igbo this, go and destroy Igbo that, go and why? Go and spoil Igbo this, go and spoil Igbo that, go and spoil. The lady I'm talking about, she said Igbo people go, the thing they spoil in South Africa, the thing said they go come here, come spoil the same thing. Hey, and you are a woman, and you have children, and you are a woman, and you don't know tomorrow. You are a woman, you don't know tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. So when we are talking now, let us talk and remain the one we will talk tomorrow. Let us talk and remain the little one we will talk tomorrow. Yeah, it happened today now. Ghana and Igbo people, right? Igbo man, not even Igbo people. Ghana and Igbo man. Not even all Ghana. It's not even all Ghana. This man bought this land from a particular person. Have they asked the man that he bought the land from what they discussed, what he told him before he sold the land to him? And again, the person that sold this land put his land for sale. He or she put the land for sale. I want to buy this land. You put it for sale. Is anybody that have money that will buy? You know. Let us remember tomorrow, and let us remember that there is God. Let us remember tomorrow and also remember that there is God. Let us not do things that like, because we can do. Because we can do it, let us just do it anyhow. Hey. Anyways, let me just stop here for now. we will continue this thing tomorrow, because I have a lot of questions I saw online that need to be answered. Yeah, so tomorrow we will see again. Thank you guys for watching up till now. See you guys in the next one. So Ghana people, Igbo people are not what they are painting them as. Please, they are not.